Hi everyone, so this is the video where I will be announcing the winners of the Modelones cream gel kits. I'm very disappointed in saying I had to disqualify 5 or 6 people who did not subscribe to my channel. I said I'd be checking, guys, and some of you did not follow the rules, so I did disqualify you. So the 2 that were chosen did subscribe to my channel. I just need them to confirm with me that they followed me on Instagram and liked my Facebook page, and confirm with me that you're a Canadian resident. So now I'm going to be announcing who the 2 winners are, and the first winner is So K.A. Mit Cafe, I see that you followed me on Instagram and you subscribed to my channel. I just need confirmation that you liked my Facebook page. I'm not sure what name you're using. And you can send your mailing address and that information on Instagram messaging. I'll have that link down in the description for you. And the second winner is So I did see Sneak Squad that you did subscribe to my channel. I just need confirmation what name you used for my Instagram, and Facebook what name you used to like my page. So send me your mailing address and this confirmation to my Instagram messages, and then you will be the winner as well. Thanks everyone who entered my contest. I really appreciate you guys liking and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.